Dal Dhokli, the delicious and an Indian version, basically Indian Gujarati version of pasta. Let's start.
Hey my beautiful super foodies out there, this is Manisha and you are watching Simplify Your Cooking.
Do follow Simplify Your Cookings on Instagram and Facebook page too. Dal Dhokli is very delicious and at the same time it's a bit tricky too. So do follow the steps properly, and we are making this for 2 servings. First take half a cup of tur dal, which is pigeon peas. Wash it properly, approximately 2 to 3 times. And let it soak for half an hour with double water. If I call it pasta again and again, I may offend someone who really loves dal dhokli. So it's better to call it dal dhokli. So now for dhokli, basically the pasta making process, we need 1 cup of wheat flour and some basic masalas like salt, turmeric powder, red chili powder, approximately half a teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Add some oil and mix it so well. Okay, so now while kneading the dough, make sure the dough is tight enough to make dhoklis and keep aside the dough for resting after covering it. Now on the other hand, the dal is soaked perfectly, and now add in some turmeric powder, red chili powder and some drops of oil and pressure cook it for 3 whistles, 3 to 4 approximately, on medium to high flame. And now you can see after 3 to 4 whistles the texture of the dal. Now add in some crushed ginger and chili, approximately 1 tablespoon, and finely chopped a big tomato. For a nutty taste, add in some raw peanuts along with 5 to 4 cloves and mix it so well. Okay, now you may have a question that it seems very watery, but later it will get thicker after a boil. Now add in some jaggery or sweetener. I am adding 1 tablespoon of jaggery. If you don't like sweetness, you can skip it too. Keep the flame on low and boil it for a while. Meanwhile, we check our dough also. Our dough is ready after 10 minutes, and look how tight the dough is even after resting. Make even balls out of it and dust it with some dry flour and roll it as thin as you can. Cut them into diamond shape or any other shape you like. Take them all in a plate. If your dough is tight enough, these pastas or dhoklis will not stick to each other. Now if your dal is boiling, you can add all the dhoklis into it. Otherwise, wait till your curry or dal gets proper 2-3 boils, and only after that add your dhoklis into it. Otherwise, dhokli will get stick to each other and will not cook properly. So now our dal is boiling, and add in all the dhoklis batch by batch and add some water and cover it with a lid. So it's the best way to cook it properly. You have to take 2-3 boils after this. It's been 7 to 8 minutes here, and now add some fresh coriander and lemon juice, and finally it's time for the tadka. And for tadka, in a tadka pan, you have to take 3 to 4 tablespoons of clarified or non-clarified butter. Add in some mustard seeds. After that, add in 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds and a pinch of asafoetida. Later, add in some dry red chili and curry leaves. Turn off the flame now and add red chili powder for the beautiful color. Just pour the tadka on the final dal dhokli, and here we go with the beautiful and one pot meal which adds taste, flavor and love in your home. Just give it a try and do let me know how the results are. I will wait for your beautiful comments. If you are new here, please do subscribe my channel, and if you really like the video, please hit the like button and pour your suggestions in comment below. I'll meet you soon. Till then, take a very good care of yourselves. Bye bye.